Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cotton candy maker at home. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a small, high-speed motor, perhaps from an old fan or toy, along with a tin can, a small candle or burner, and some sugar. Don't forget a power source for your motor, like a 9-volt battery or a small power adapter, plus some wires and a switch. Safety is key, so have gloves and eye protection ready. Now let's build the core of our machine, the sugar spinner. Take your tin can and carefully make many tiny holes around its sides using a small nail or a sharp, thin object. These holes should be very small, about 1 millimeter in diameter. Next, securely attach this perforated can to the shaft of your motor. It's crucial that the can is perfectly centered and balanced to prevent wobbling when it spins at high speeds. With the spinner ready, it's time to assemble the machine's base. Securely mount your motor and the attached can onto a sturdy, flat surface, like a piece of wood. Position a small heat source, such as a tea light candle or a small alcohol burner, directly underneath the tin can. Ensure there's a small gap, about 1 to 2 centimeters between the flame and the can's bottom. This allows the sugar to melt without burning. Finally, let's make some delicious cotton candy. With your safety gear on, carefully pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar into the spinning can. Turn on the motor and watch as the heat melts the sugar, and the centrifugal force pushes it through the tiny holes, creating those delicate, sugary threads. Use a paper cone or a wooden stick to gently collect the fluffy cotton candy as it forms around the can. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.